In the heart of the ancient forest, a brave knight embarks on a quest, the daunting shadows of the trees concealing potential dangers. Sir William freezes in shock as he comes face to face with the fearsome creature he was sent to slay, his heart pounding in his chest. To Sir William's surprise, the dragon Draco greets him not with fire and fury, but with a gentle gesture of peace, sparking a glimmer of hope in his heart. Sir William witnesses the greed of his own people as they invade Draco's territory, their actions casting a shadow over his sense of righteousness. A heavy weight settles on Sir William's shoulders as he grapples with a moral dilemma, his sword now a burden on his conscience. Bound by compassion, Sir William and Draco forge an unlikely alliance, united in their quest to protect the forest they both call home. Together, Sir William and Draco unearth a long-forgotten secret, their discovery a testament to the power of friendship and trust. As the villagers see Draco's gentle nature and Sir William's bravery, their hearts soften, embracing the once-feared dragon as part of their community. Triumphantly, the knight and the dragon return as heroes, their bond a symbol of unity and harmony, the village's prejudice vanquished by their shared legacy.